Girl in the house.
Look there now. Look at there. Two little people in there.
Reggie.
You know, say about four of them, they were with their poor boy. I him alone.
It's a disgrace. Look there. Just send your picnic then go to school and look on the condition, then find them in a house with man. Look there. One of them have to all hide them fears. Lord Jesus.
You think we tackle this already, bread?
Good, no.
You think you take boy? Lord. Oh, this I went there, fun.
Yeah, that's it. I agree.
Everything is true.
God know you.
Come and take Peter money. Warm up your hole and make him play your pussy. Cock in your hole before you get him money. Cock up back where you make him fuck your pussy. Stick to the boy where I run him money. Buy him a buy and I sell you. I sell. I don't know how that call it. Cock in your hole. No free money in him. No free money. Book back no free money. No free money. I girl me I tell you. Stick to the boy where I run him money. Cock up back where you make him fuck your pussy. Cock in your hole before you get the money. Stick to the boy and that me I tell some of the idiot girl you know. Stick to the boy where I run him money. The boy fuck on the pussy. Yeah. That's a birth of 52-year-old. 59 I mean. Third of March man beg me fuck me beg me age and me looks like me body school. And this a little like that. Beg you a show pow. Beg it down with Mr. Wang over 45 years. Meaning Barnett with good pussy will I roll to Mr. Wang man. Angry with tears. Yes, that's a Laura. Beg you a Pisces. I never know y'all like now. I should dip. I should fly back. Time to all your pussy not before not in here. Time to all your pussy not before not in here. Money in the hand before half for your wood. Open up your hand before you open up your wood. Time to you, you run your pussy free to him. Come into you, you sell the bamba now to him. Put on my foot, blind and no go city. You want me over because you feel your bamba. Bang shot, you sell your pussy. Fuck me hot because you feel your bamba bill. And then the name God dug in the cocky boy. And a girl fuck me with no dildo. And a girl fuck me with no pussy gun. And a pay a big cocky in me bumba. Pay a big cock let me moan and go. Me no run no dildo. Me no run no sucker. The big straight cock let me yana put. Yeah. When the cocky touch the gas money in hand before talk for your wood. Before you open up your wood. You run the pussy free. You sell the bamba now to him. Put on your foot, you have your pussy. Your bamba feel it. Bang shot, you feel your pussy.
Drink champs.
Yes.
Number one interview. See it?
Number one interview for real. Yo, Nori, super proud of you because you definitely are the fucking pioneer of podcast platforms, period, in hip-hop culture. You run the thing on. One Nori got the blood.
Fully active. What is under my nose?
3 months now, I don't get no pum pum. Make me not get no pum pum today and see what happen. I block every road in Westmoreland. Every robot taxi, I call police for now. Every man we are getting a woman bun. I tell no woman today. Me have to put Westmoreland in bankruptcy today. Watch how I go on. Make me not get no pum pum today.
And here she goes.
Yeah, we come in? Okay.
Yeah. This is my daughter, Sapphire.
We look like twins right now.
And
could you tell the difference between us?
This is my last twin daughter. She has a twin. They are identical. And yeah, we're gonna sit here with you and entertain you. Isn't she lovely? My daughter, my last twins, my last children before this one, they were born 20 years ago. Jonah! All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that is my story, and I need you to go tell it on the mountains, over the hills, and everywhere. The story of 7 Lordies, aka Amari DJ Mona Lisa, Venice Fang Chang. Yeah. You know, anything you want to say? Sapphire?
I don't know.
You know, Sapphire doesn't really know the story. You kind of know it. She don't really know the story like that.
What is it? Tell me.
Oh, the story about being in Jamaica and being... you know, because it really hurts their soul, you know. So what's up? TikTok. In case you don't know, my children are all singers. My daughter is also a singer, and she'll be coming out with her album real soon under the name of Sapphire. Now, I know that a lot of you helped raise my children. You were there from they were in the stomach. So I want to tell you that we love you all, and you know, I know that you're so happy when you see Sapphire all grown now, and you know that years ago that Bling got into my inbox and separated my twins from me. It's a long time old, this woman been following me up, and the same time as my twins were separated from me, I saved her daughter from how should I say it? I saved her from so much. The same time my twins were separated, and I'm like trying to find out why. The same time her daughter was going through a lot, and I paid for her daughter's ticket to come to Florida, also for Bling ticket to come to Florida, yeah, and help her husband, who was hiding at the time from the cops in regards to her daughter. You get what I'm saying? But these are the people that turn around and try to do you wrong. It's a long story, darling, but it makes me afraid to help people. Yeah, Amari paid for plane tickets for her, for her daughter, because the government was going to take away all her children. And in the midst of everything, she was making sure that my children were separated from me. That truly broke my heart. But I prayed, and I continue to pray and wait upon the Lord. To be honest with you, it's like this is so surreal, reuniting with my children. It's like I'm here, but I'm not here. Because, you know, it's something that truly hurt my heart. But I love my daughter so much. Okay. It's a blessing. And I really thank you, God. I really thank you, God.
Yeah, Dele. I'll let you.
So what him do?
But be bouncing like crazy. That coconut's bigger than your head. It's heavier than your head. You're an island girl.
I just think that Savi will get tattoos.
Yeah.
I just think she's
Savi, you gonna get tattoos? Sorry, you gonna have tattoos?
Say yeah! Yeah! Dad, where am I?
You're in Montego Bay.
No, I'm not.
Well, where are you?
In Disneyland.
You're in Disneyland? That's a Jamaican park.
That means she's just having a good time. But no, she knows where we are. Savi, where are we?
Jamaica!
All I know is they fall in love before I do. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, we got to bouncing like crazy. Come on, let's go. Y'all mind if I pay for y'all?
What?
You mind if I pay for y'all?
Let's cast in it.
What?
You don't know who this is? Are you dead ass serious?
Well, what?
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
Nice to meet you, broski.
No.
Nice to meet you.
Is this like one of those
Yeah.
things putting on your thing?
This is
Yeah, get it, my boy. Get it, my boy.
This is
Get it, my boy.
thing.
What else you want? What else you want?
Serious. I'm dead serious.
You want all the stuff?
Yeah.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh, yeah, I want all those stuff up here.
Get it.
I got a receipt.
Oh, you got a receipt?
Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah,
What you want?
serious?
You want one more stuff?
Yeah.
Come on.
No, you want to get one more monster truck? You want
One more monster truck? You know where it's...
Busy signal and bling. Dog at it again.
I try to tell him, you're provoking dog. You just give me ganja if you give me ganja, man. Brother, just give me ganja if you give me ganja, man. Yeah, we rough. Think me and them soft like girl. Me and them have rough. I see that. Look on the and them one. Well, you know me a gorilla dog. Me soft. Look on them. Look here. They look soft. They're a pretty boy thing. Man, a gorilla. What is? I mean, man. Run down. Yo, you can't give them a bit of weed. You know about weed. You bad me up. Me not bad you up. Me just being aggressive. That come from the work. You know, aggressive with super confident. You see me? You have to hear the elephant in the room when we walk in. Vibe. Yes. So you put on the weed or something? Eh? So, no, Mr. Tell us something and empty, so give me more. No, everything. Because you see more weed in there and you're cut back. No, Mike. I know we don't talk about it. Cool, man. Alright, let's give me that.
Everyone, this is my very first time coming on to TikTok since my incident. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, but on January the 17th this year, I was involved in an incident where I was shot twice, once in the face, once in the back, and I was stabbed 37 times. If this video doesn't send any message other than to let you know, I am still here, which means there is a God. My doctors all tell me that I am a walking miracle. So I just want to come on to let you know. I know people go through things, so I just want to let you know that there is a God, all right? So I'm not going to go too much into the detail of what happened to me that day, but I do want to say that I have been reading your comments. A lot of you have inboxed me. I thank you so much for your prayers, for your thoughts. I'm going to have my